Here's what I was going to ask Richard Terry about. Networking. You
Yes.
do a lot of business networking. You're a member of BNI, Peak Performance. What else do you, I know I see you at Mastermind St. Louis. I know I see you at E4E. That's Experts for Entrepreneurs. That meets
Once a month?
Once a month.
Once a month.
Okay. And that's out in the Chesterfield Mall. Wednesday, the second Wednesday?
Third Wednesday.
Third Wednesday. It would be the third Wednesday.
8:30 to 10:30.
So from a business standpoint, what do you recommend people doing as far as networking?
I think they need to have a goal. In other words, find out who their ideal client or ideal referral partner is and go where they are. Not just, it's just not a social event to just, go and have fun and whatever. I mean, it can be, but there's a lot to be there's a lot to be said for see and be seen, but by the same token,
We got Rocky here today.
Go with the
That's
goal.
my girls are enamored with.
Come here, buddy.
There's Rocky.
There's the rock star.
There's Nora. There's Claire. They love doggies.
Yes.
But networking, what else?
That would be go with a goal and go with, and a lot of times you can get the a pre list of people who are going to attend and scope that over and then go there with 3 or 4 people that you really want to meet that would be your ideal referral partner or somebody that you could go work together with. So
When you're meeting someone new at a networking meeting, what is it like one of your favorite questions to ask them?
one of the things I start with frog, which is
You start with frog.
yes, I do.
Did you know that he starts with frog?
Can I have a pet frog?
No, not a pet frog.
Frog is for family and friends, so I ask them about their family and friends. And
Right.
The R
It's
is,
an acronym.
and the R is for recreation. What do they do for fun?
What do you do for fun?
And then the O is for organization, tell me about their business. And G is what are their goals?
So I love it. So
Yeah.
it's maybe not all those things, but certainly a good couple
Yeah,
of them.
yeah.
It's a great conversation starter.
Or
I've used frog before.
also ask them what's their biggest challenge in their business or
Ooh, that's a good
in
one.
life. So you
I
can
love
find
it.
somebody that might be able to help them.
Well, and certainly if you've been around St. Louis for any amount of time, West County or even beyond, this guy knows a lot of people. It's always amazing how many people I run into. I'm like going, oh yeah, Richard Terry.
Yeah.
And then I ran into you at another
Yeah.
First Watch,
Yeah.
and it was funny because I thought you were the First Watch king, and I figured, oh, there's another place, and I saw him there. But it was our virgin tour to that location.
Yes, it was.
We'd never
Both
been
of
there
them.
before.
No, we didn't.
But it was great.
It was.
So thank you, Richard Terry,
Thank
for
you.
the networking insight.
You're
and
welcome.
man, thank you, Rocky, for helping out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. All right, Richard Terry, Accolade, Kitchen and Bath.
Bye now.
See y'all later.
Rocky approved.
Rocky
Bye.
approved. Thanks, Rocky.